Hi, my name is Jenica Gala and I'm currently studying at Drama School Mumbai in the In-City batch.
Hi, I'm Abhishek Patil. I'm currently a student in the In-City batch at DSM.
So day at DSM starts with us coming in and making the space our own. We start with cleaning the floor.
The path we start with the voice conditioning classes. So voice conditioning classes is basically जो हमें सिखाया गया अभी तक कि how to free our instrument, that is our body. कहाँ कहाँ पे हम tension hold करके रखते हैं, how to release that tension.
We move to a movement class wherein it could be yoga or it could be capoeira, just warming up your body, getting it.
It's
all
basically
started.
to get start for the day.
The performance classes that happen. So these performance classes could be script analysis or maybe scene study that we're doing. It could be improv classes that we have.
So acting modules में sometimes there will be text-based acting, there will be physical theatre, that how through physical movements you can create your acting.
For dramaturgy, we have been exploring with how to look at work, how to create work. If you like something, why do you like it? If you don't like something, what can be done to make it better or relevant to today's time? We are introduced to a lot of concepts which come under dramaturgy. Like we were just recently working with object theatre. We studied about theatre of the absurd, verbatim theatre. How does one write for devising?
तो जब हमारे ब्रेक्स होते हैं सो मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द टाइम डिस्कशन इज अराउंड कि जो आज एक्सरसाइजेज हुई हैं या जो हम काम कर रहे हैं सैटरडे को जो हमारी परफॉर्मेंसेस होने वाली है उसमें हम क्या नया ला सकते हैं.
Is something that we are learning in movement. Helps us even in dramaturgy. Something that we learned in dramaturgy helps us in movement.
Into the next unit where जहाँ पे तुम्हारे साथ काम होगा ऑन द आइडिया ऑफ अ प्ले, लिखने पे नहीं, जस्ट द आइडिया कि आइडिया क्या होता है एंड हाउ टू प्लांट दैट आइडिया.
Yeah, I got to know about Drama School Mumbai as I was doing theatre outside. I was also watching plays and I had seen students from DSM outside.
वन ऑफ माई कॉलेज सीनियर्स इज ऑल्सो माई सीनियर एट DSM और उन्होंने मुझे बताया था ड्रामा स्कूल मुंबई के बारे में कि क्या क्या यहाँ पे पढ़ाया जाता है, कैसा पढ़ाया जाता है. ड्रामा स्कूल मुंबई का जो स्कॉलरशिप प्रोग्राम है इट गिव्स यू अ फेयर एंड स्क्वायर चांस. अगर आपने थिएटर बहुत सालों तक करा हुआ है तो आपके एक्सपीरियंस पे भी आपको स्कॉलरशिप मिलती है और आपके फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस पे भी आपको स्कॉलरशिप मिलती है.
It's nice when we see mentors or teachers that come in who come in with a mindset of collaboration themselves too. So it is not that they are teaching, they also want to take cues from us.
सपोर्ट वाइज तो फर्स्ट विल वी हैव आवर फैकल्टी जो कि हमारे फिंगर टिप्स पे अवेलेबल है. सो वी हैव देम इन आवर क्लासेस एंड आउटसाइड द क्लासेस आल्सो.
It's interesting working with people who have come from different backgrounds. Some people have experience, some people are complete freshers in the class. Flavor that everybody gets from their roots. It helps us understand a lot about culture as well and not just creating work.
स्पीकिंग फॉर द पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा ये रहा है कि अनलर्न बहुत कुछ करना पड़ा. जो मैंने कॉलेज में सीखा था उसके बाद थिएटर करते हुए सीखा है कि पहले तो अनलर्न करना पड़ा बहुत कुछ.
I am grateful to be at a place which encourages us to fail.
So a day at DSM is full of curiosity.
Energetic, lively,
Discipline. Tiring. Exhausting.
challenging,
Full.
Fun, full of excitement.
intense, enriching,
Horribly beautiful. Thrilling.
Transport.
Chalo!